The story of evolution. Some companies build projects, some build businesses, but a few build for a purpose to build infrastructure that builds the nation. 29th April 2009, a vision starts its journey. Unique Vastushilp and Projects Private Limited, a name with a vision far bigger than its beginnings. The first steps were never just projects. They were responsibilities, water supply systems, homes for those who protect us, administrative buildings. Each project, a step in the journey of evolvement. With every step, the journey expanded, the vision evolved, and then came a defining moment. A project that accelerated the growth of the company. Dr. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Indoor Sports Stadium in Goa, a project of rupees 93 crore, built in a record time of 11 months. A win against time, not just delivered, but applauded. What began as a single opportunity became many, gradually grew into a presence across states. From small beginning to national recognition, healthcare, commercial ecosystems, large-scale agro-infrastructure. With every step, scale increased, infrastructure evolved. With growth came a new identity. In 2016, a new name emerged, Univastu. And in 2017, a defining moment in the evolution. Listed, trusted, recognized. And then, the journey entered into high-precision infrastructure. Metro stations, powering urban mobility. Engineering at scale. Not just execution, but innovation. For the first time, infrastructure met intelligence. World's first wireless building management system, developed in-house. The evolution of infrastructure into intelligence. An evolution towards sustainability. Net zero projects. Energy efficient systems. Building not just for today, but for generations ahead. Sports complexes, memorials, cultural landmarks. Each project, a story in itself. Each structure, a legacy in the making. From the Bhagavad Gita Museum in Kurukshetra to the pilgrimage infrastructure in Prayagraj, these weren't just projects. They were contributions to the culture, to the faith, to the nation. A benchmark in speed, quality and commitment. A project planned for 12 months, delivered in just 3 months. Recognized nationally, recorded historically. And then, the world came closer. A partnership with Mirtha Pools, bringing Olympic standards to India. From national execution to global collaboration. Strengthening Univastu's presence in the sports infrastructure, another milestone was added to the journey. The construction of the sports complex at Karad Satara, valued at rupees 87 crore. A modern cricket stadium with a seating gallery. A 400-meter synthetic running track, designed to host Ranji level and professional tournaments. Built for performance, built for the generations. As the journey in sports infrastructure gained momentum, came one of the most significant projects in sports infrastructure, the Divisional Sports Complex at Jalgaon, of rupees 244 crore, spread across 37 acres. Designed as a multi-sport ecosystem, supporting 17 different games. This is not just infrastructure, this is inspiration, shaping the future of Indian sports. creating champions, preparing for the global stage. In 2026, a major milestone in metro rail infrastructure, Mumbai Metro Line 4 and Line 6, a combined scale of 35 stations and 2 depots, valued at over rupees 1,000 crore, electrical and mechanical works, receiving substations, power supply, traction, OHE systems, a high-precision assignment at the heart of Mumbai's expanding metro network. Mumbai Metro Line 4 across 22 stations and 1 depot, connecting Wadala to Thane. Mumbai Metro Line 6 across 13 stations and 1 depot, connecting Andheri to Vikhroli. These are not just projects, they are the backbone of a growing city, a significant leap for Univastu. High value, high complexity, high responsibility. Over the years, Univastu has evolved with the purpose. From housing to sports infrastructure, to net zero infrastructure, to metro systems, to power and energy networks. From local execution to global collaborations. Adapting, transforming, growing, aligning with the future. But this is not the destination, because Univastu builds beyond structures. It evolves, and thus the evolution continues.